You are listening to NWR Live. Bold and right.
Welcome to The Big Story with Danish on NWR Live. On The Big Story, today we are talking about the entire episode which has again come back in the public limelight. It's the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi and the court clearly stating the commutation to life sentence. To talk about it, we have BJP's national spokesperson, Meenakshi Lekhi. Ma'am, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Danish.
The entire, discussion is taking a different turn altogether because there have been sharp words coming in from Kapil Sibal. That's the first thing which I want to talk about, because he clearly, these are these words. They, that is the BJP, are baying for the blood of Afzal Guru, and I'm surprised that when it comes to other assassins, they don't even utter a word. I think the BJP has something to answer for.
I think this is what is called a clever ploy used by somebody who's in the wrong. And if you don't go by the language, but go by what really has happened. Now, Afzal Guru was sent up for sentence, and that was a decision by the Home Ministry, and that Home Ministry is run by the present government, of which Mr. Sibal himself is a minister and controlled by Sonia Gandhi. Similarly, the letter which has been written that these people who have assassinated Rajiv Gandhi, who happened to be not just a congressman but was the Prime Minister of the country, was assassinated by a few killers who are not Indian but Tamil LTTE, Sri Lankan Tamils. Mm-hmm. And in spite of that, the death sentence which should have been given and which was actually given, upheld by the Supreme Court, petition rejected by the President, and yet the execution does not happen because Sonia Gandhi doesn't want execution to happen. And Sonia Gandhi is de jure head of a government in which Mr. Sibal is an employee of that government and happens to be a minister. So both decisions are the decisions of Government of India, of which Mr. Sibal happens to be a member of the same parliament, and not just member, he is the minister and the group of ministers taking decision on various policies. So who should explain to the country that when lawyers who are representing in the court by Government of India are yours, decision making is by you, letter written is by Sonia Gandhi in one case and not the other case, who are you to ask these questions? And if you had these questions, you should have asked within your home. I mean, you are virtually a spokesperson for the Congress party. These are the questions which people of India are asking you, that how is it that in Afzal Guru you have standard A and case of Tamil LTTE you have standard B, and you fail to execute the people. And who is Sonia Gandhi to write such letters? I think they need to explain. I think there's a whole lot of explanation which has to come from the family and from the government, which is run like a family business. Why should I be explaining? You executed Afzal, and you did not execute these guys who killed Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. It's you who has to explain. This is called ultimate sophistry. That instead of explaining your conduct, you are asking BJP to explain. Not just running away. They are playing. They are running with the hound. They are hunting with the hound and running with the hare. That's exactly what they have done in Telangana, exactly what they are doing in Kashmir, exactly what they are doing, because there is no clarity how terrorism needs to be dealt with. There is no clarity what is their idea of India. There is no clarity what is their idea of providing security to Indian nationals. There is no idea about how to keep country together as one country. They are using the country as a rent-seeking mechanism. That's all.
You are listening to NWR Live. Bold and right.